If you've ever struggled with stubborn programs that just won't uninstall, you might be wondering if Revo Uninstaller is the answer to your woes. Let's dig into whether this tool truly delivers on its promises or if it's just another uninstaller in a crowded market. Revo Uninstaller is designed to help users effectively remove unwanted software from their Windows machines. What sets it apart is its advanced scanning technology, which not only uninstalls programs, but also cleans up leftover files and registry entries that typical uninstallers often miss. The interface is user-friendly, with a straightforward layout that makes it easy to navigate, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. One standout feature is its ability to perform a forced uninstall, which can be a lifesaver for stubborn applications. Additionally, it offers a portable version, allowing you to run it from a USB drive without installation. However, while the core functionality is solid, some users might find that certain advanced options are buried in menus, making them less accessible. Overall, it's clear that Revo caters to a wide audience, from casual users to those who require more in-depth system cleaning. Let's talk about what works and what doesn't with Revo Uninstaller. On the plus side, its advanced scanning capabilities are impressive, often catching files that other uninstallers overlook. The forced uninstall feature can be a real game changer for tackling stubborn software. However, some users may find the interface a bit cluttered, especially when trying to access those advanced settings. There's also the question of pricing. While the free version is decent, many of the more powerful features are locked behind the pro version, which might not sit well with everyone. Additionally, there's limited transparency regarding customer support, which could be a concern for those who may need assistance. Overall, while it has a lot to offer, it might not be suitable for users looking for a completely free solution. In conclusion, Revo Uninstaller is a solid choice for those serious about keeping their systems clean and free of unwanted software. It's particularly useful for users who encounter stubborn programs. However, if you're looking for a completely free and straightforward solution, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it's worth trying if you need more than just basic uninstallation.